How to fix unexpected error while logging in League of Legends. Here are some tips that would help you fix unexpected error while logging in League of Legends. 1. Exit then relaunch your LOL game. Hint, run Task Manager to end Riot Client Services.exe, Riot Client UX.exe and League of Legends.exe. 2. Check then, Google how to improve your internet connection speed, if needed, if you're using a slow one. 3. Update your device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Enable UPnP. In your router admin page. Give the highest priority to QoS. 5. Use Google DNS Server.